How to hide iCloud email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, tap on the search bar at the bottom and type in Hide My Email. From the search results, tap on the Hide My Email option to proceed. This takes you to the iCloud settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Subscribe to iCloud Plus. A pop-up will appear showing that Hide My Email is included with a paid iCloud Plus subscription. Tap on the Subscribe to iCloud Plus button at the bottom to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily hide iCloud email on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.